Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial I'm going to be doing a straw curl set on my natural hair, and the product I will be using is Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Curling Gel. It's enriched with flaxseed, promotes hair health from the inside out, and helps to prevent dryness and flaking. So what you will need is some straws and a comb. So now I'm just applying the gel from the roots to my ends. Okay, so now I'm going to start this straw curl off with twisting my hair at the roots and twisting it around the straw all the way down to the ends. And I'm just securing this straw with a rubber band. Okay, so now I'm just showing y'all again how to do the straw curl. I'm just wrapping my hair around the straw all the way down to the ends of my hair. And now I'm just gonna snip that extra piece off because we don't need that. Once again, wrap your hair all the way down to the ends around the straw, and you want to make sure that there's product at the end of your hair too, so it'll be able to stick to the straw. Okay, now we're gonna just speed this up a little bit, and I'm done. So now, as you can see, I have all the straw curls on my hair, and I'm just gonna wait for them to dry. Okay, now all the straw curls are dry, and I'm just going to gently take them down. And after I get done taking all the straw curls down, you can leave them like they are, but I chose to separate my curls, and now I'm just gently separating my curls. So y'all know what time it is. It's time for the edges. So I'm going to be taking my Tame My Edges smoothing gel and just laying my edges. And this smoothing gel is also good to help protect the edges and the hairline from damage and thinning. And I'm done. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll just see y'all in the next video.